Hello everyone. So welcome to our channel Learn English with Nitin Kadam. So today I'm going to teach you language. Everybody knows that what is a language. So let's start today's topic. So today we learn language. So what is the definition of language? Language means it is a means of communication. Language means it is means of communication. आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं कि लैंग्वेज कैसी होती है. सो लैंग्वेज के लिए क्या चाहिए, तो हम कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं और कम्युनिकेशन करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, टू पर्सन चाहिए. मीन्स आई एम स्पीकिंग and the second person is listening. So first is a speaker and second is a listener. So what is the definition of language? The definition of language is that it is a means of communication. And there are two parts of communication. How many parts? There are two parts of communication. Communication में भी क्या है, two parts है. That is, the first part is verbal and the second part is non-verbal. The first part is verbal and second part is non-verbal. What is a verbal? Verbal means use of words. हम communication में क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पर use of words. Use of words. And here in a verbal communication also two parts, means written and spoken. Written and the second is spoken. If I want to learn language, what is the first thing is here, written is a different and spoken is also different. First we see verbal communication. Verbal means use of words. हम यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, तो words का use करते हैं. तो words का use कहाँ पर होता है? First written also and spoken also. If we want to learn language, I am talking about the language. I am not talking about a particular language. So here in a written communication, if I want to learn written, what is the first part? The first part is we should learn alphabets. Alphabet. What is the alphabets? A to Z letters. A to Z letters. And if we learn A to Z letters, we are able to understand language? We are able to learn language? The answer is no. Suppose I learned alphabets, A to Z letters. Is it any meaning of alphabets? Suppose I say A, suppose I say B, suppose I say D. Is it any meaning of that alphabets? My name is Nitin. So if I say Ian, there is no meaning of alphabets if the meaning is in a word. Means what is the next process? First we learn alphabets and second we learn words. So what is the words? Means there is a single alphabet, there is no meaning. कोई भी single alphabet है उसको कोई meaning नहीं होता. So what is the meaning of words? Suppose I say G. Is it any G? This single alphabet, is it meaning? No. So if I attach O, go. Go means jana. So words are meaningful. So if I learn words, we understand language? The answer is no. What is the next process of written communication? I am talking about written communication. What is the next process? Sentence. Suppose first thing is that we learn A to Z letters. Second thing is that we learn words, and the next is we learn sentences. Suppose we learn sentence means we are learning grammar. Grammar. What is the last process of grammar? Means रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन. अगर हमें रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन सीखना है तो फर्स्ट प्रोसेस है A to Z लेटर्स हमें सीखना है. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है, वर्ड्स सीखना है, और उसके बाद सेंटेंस मेकिंग करना है, और उसके बाद हम जब ग्रामर सीखते हैं तो वी आर एबल टू लर्न लैंग्वेज. मीन्स रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन. हमारा क्या होता है कि हम सिर्फ रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन सीखते हैं. मीन्स रिटर्न इज अ डिफरेंट एंड स्पोकन इज अ डिफरेंट. हमें लगता है कि मैंने ग्रामर सीखा, इसका मतलब क्या है, आई एम लर्निंग ऑल लैंग्वेज. नो, इट इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट रिटर्न इज अ डिफरेंट एंड स्पोकन इज अ डिफरेंट. रिटर्न इज अ theoretically part and spoken is a practically part. So if I want to speak, so what is the first process in any languages? What is the first process? Listen is a first process. Listening. What is the listening is the first process. And the next process, speaking. Okay, means मुझे क्या करना है कि स्पोकन, अगर बोलना कोई भी लैंग्वेज हमें स्पोकन करनी है तो क्या करना है, हमें लिसन करना है एंड देन वी स्पीक. लिसन करने के बाद इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, रीडिंग भी करना चाहिए. रीडिंग ऑल्सो मीन्स व्हाट इज द आउटपुट इफ लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग एंड रीडिंग. देन प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज वेरी ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. Then sound, it is a basic part. Sound. So written is a different and spoken is different. And the next we see non-verbal communication. So here we are using verbal communication, and in a verbal communication we are using words. And the next is non-verbal communication. We are not using words, means without words. Non-verbal communication without words. So without words means your body language. First language. अगर हमें कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखनी है तो these three parts are very important. Only we understand written communication, we are not understanding language. We are only focused in spoken communication, also we are not understand language. So these three parts are totally different. First is written, spoken and non-verbal communication. First is body language. Means जब हम कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखते हैं, बात करते हैं, तब हमारी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इन बॉडी लैंग्वेज, व्हाट इज इन बॉडी लैंग्वेज? आई कॉन्टैक्ट. द नेक्स्ट gesture, and the next posture. So these three parts are very important if we understand language. So I hope that you also understand this process, and thank you so much to listen me. Thank you so much.